The real estate market has been resilient, especially properties in the mass market condominium has performed exceptionally well in year 2022, with most of the major new launches achieving strong sales during their launch weekend. For instance, at Amor Residence, over 98% of its 372 units were sold on the first day of the launch, while Lentor Modern achieved 84% and Sky Eden sold near to 75%, all on its launch weekend. And in the recent budget, the government announced marginal buyer's stamp duties to be introduced, but it does not affect anyone purchasing a property below $1.5 million. But on the other hand, the mere fact that it is marginal, even a $2 million property, the additional stamp duties that will be incurred is only $5,000. Property investors today are buying within a long-term view, and we are very confident that the new increase in the marginal buyer stamp duty is not going to impact the market. Welcome to the Botany at Dairy Farm, the most awaited new development at the Dairy Farm Walk. With 386 units available, this development offers spacious 1+30 to 5 bedrooms, suited for singles, couples, or multi-generational families. Being located at an established residential estate, the Botany at Dairy Farm provides great convenience with its extensive transport network. The condominium is located just minutes walk to Hillview MRT station, and it is just one MRT stop away to the future Beauty World integrated transport hub. It also connects to the rest of the city via major expressways like BKE, PIE, and Bukit Timah Road. Residents will be living quite literally at the doorstep of the Dairy Farm Nature Park, a 75-hectare park that houses several hiking trails and the former quarry. Beyond the Dairy Farm Nature Park lies the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, where nature lovers can enjoy the greenery and take long walks with their family and loved ones. There are also many lifestyle, dining, entertainment, and retail amenities for residents at the nearby Hillion Mall, Bukit Panjang Plaza, the Rail Mall, and Hillview 2. Foodies will also rejoice as there are many popular eateries in the Beauty World area. The Botany at Dairy Farm is also within 1 kilometer to established schools like CHIJ, Bukit Panjang Primary School, and a mere 1-minute walk to GESS. There is an impressive mix of facilities for the enjoyment of the whole family. Some of the facilities include the Serenity Pool Deck, a 50-meter swimming pool, outdoor green pavilion, reflexology path, botany playground, and many more. An investment seriously worth considering. Speak to any of our PropNext salesperson to learn more about the Botany at Dairy Farm and secure a special viewing today.